Hello, we are discussing about the GATE 2000 ECE paper and the question is related to the electronics. Look at the circuit. In the circuit shown, assume that the transistor is in active region. It has a large beta and its base emitter voltage is 0.7 volts. Then the value of IC is. Okay. For the given circuit, we are going to calculate IC value. What was given is large beta. Large beta value. Large beta, if it is there at that time, we know the equation for the calculation of IB. IB is nothing but IC by beta. So if it is very large, IC by large, that implies nothing but you can assume IB is very small. Ideally it is 0. So the meaning of large beta implies nothing but neglect IB. The other way of specifying large beta is nothing but you can neglect the base current. Base current is neglecting is nothing but current flowing through this one. IB is equal to 0. Whenever IB is equal to 0, at that time, whatever the current flowing through RC, the same current is also flows through this 430 ohms, because the current is nothing but emitter current. Emitter current is collector current plus base current. So IC plus IB, but IB is equal to 0. So here the current flowing through emitter is also IC only. So if you want to calculate IC at that time, now you can calculate the current flowing through 430 ohms, which is nothing but IC. Okay. Since the base current is 0 at that time, current supplied by 15 volts is going to be flowing through 10 kilo ohms through this left side branch, and the same current is going to be flowing through 5 kilo ohms. Let us assume the current flowing through this one is going to be something as I. At that time, I current flows in 10 kilo ohms as well as 5 kilo ohms resistor. So now you can apply a voltage divider rule to calculate the voltage across base, so that it can be simplified. The circuit is going to be simplified in this way. This is what the simplified circuit we will get. This is RTH and it is, we are going with VTH, and this is connected with a resistor along with VCC 15 volts, and this is RC value, and this is 430 ohms. 430 ohms current flowing through this one is also IC. So RTH, now this is base current, so IB is equal to 0 given. RTH value can be calculated as R1 parallel R2. R1 parallel R2 is nothing but 10 parallel 5. So that is 50 by 15. So something around 3 points. Okay. So this will be equal to 3.50, 3.34 kilo ohms. And apply KVL across this one. Apply KVL for this loop. By that time, we have to write the terminal voltages VBE. Terminal voltage is nothing but VBE, that we can write it as VBE. This is plus and it is minus. So if you write KVL at that time, VTH minus IB times of RTH minus VBE minus IC times of 430 ohms is equal to 0, where VTH is nothing but, using voltage division rule, R2 by R1 plus R2, R2 by R1 plus R2 into VCC. R2 implies nothing but, here it is 5 kilo ohms in this diagram. Okay, and R1 is 10 kilo ohms. So this is 5 by 5 plus 10 into 15 volts. That is nothing but 5 by 15. So it will be equal to 5 volts. So VTH is 5 volts and IB value is 0 because base current is neglected, and it is 0.7 VBE minus IC times of 0.43 kilo ohms is equal to 0. If you calculate IC value from this one, 5 minus 0.7 is nothing but 4. 4.3 divided by 0.43, Okay, so by that time the value is 10 milliamperes. 10 10 milliamperes is the current. So the right option for us is D. So for the given circuit, the current flowing through RC and 430 ohms, that is nothing but IC value is 10 milliamperes. Thank you.